Mayflower, too, is much more than a replica of a famous ship. She is a famous ship in her own right. She is also a symbol, a source of inspiration to those in search of new beginnings and the possibility of multicultural cooperation in this nation of immigrants. She also speaks to the dark truths underlying the settlement of New England and America. Upon her return to Plymouth Harbor, she will once again become a kind of time machine, a fascinating floating theater upon which some of the most passionate historians I have ever had the pleasure to know transport the visitors to Plymouth Plantation to a past that only gains in resonance and importance with each passing day. Warwick Charlton assumed that once the Mayflower II was docked in Plymouth, she would never sail again. But her stewards at Plymouth Plantation, with the help of the shipwrights at Mystic Seaport, have ensured that this brave little ship, which once tossed in the waves off the deadly shoals along Nantucket Island's southern shore, will not only sail again, she will be stronger than ever and continue to inspire and instruct for generations to come. Thank you.